Well, good afternoon, people. Yes, I know. There's two things here that need addressing. First off, I'm not on my bike. I'm in a car. I'm vlogging in a car. I'm actually at work. I'm in my cab. and yeah, talking to you on my Dashcam camera, my Vantrue N2 Pro, which is a good little camera, forward and rear facing. Happy days. But anyway, that's besides the point. Yes, so that's the first thing. Why am I not on my bike? Well, waiting for the weather to pick up. Hopefully it's starting to get there now. I managed to get out briefly while we had that nice few days in February, and I managed to get out Sunday for all of about an hour before the heavens opened. But I haven't done any vlogs on my bike purely and simply because I've bought a new helmet. Bought a new crash helmet. And I'm just waiting for a new camera. I bought a new camera to put to the helmet, and I'm not going to say too much at the moment because I shall do that in another video of my new helmet and camera setup. And then hopefully we can get a few more videos made, because yeah, it's a bit quiet last year. Didn't really do a lot, you know. I had a lot of other things outside of that going on, which didn't really give me many opportunities to do much. And yeah, I'm going to try and change that this year. I'm going to try and get back on track. I've certainly got plans to get out there and do more on the bike this year, so fingers crossed that all comes to fruition. So yeah, so this is just a quick little video. Hope everyone's alright. So there'll be a video coming out shortly. Well, I say shortly, it all depends on when my camera arrives. It's on back order at the moment. So once that comes, then I'll do a little video showing you my new helmet and camera setup. And also there'll be another video coming sometime soon. I've just bought a cruise control for my bike. When I say cruise control, don't get me wrong, not one of these electronic fancy gizmos. It's basically it's a cheap throttle lock type device, really. Because I just get, I mean, most of you probably are the same. I mean, I hate doing motorways and dual carriageways. I don't really get much pleasure out of it. But the times that, you know, I do have to spend time on them, you know, I'm terrible. I suffer with the old dead hand on the throttle, and you know, most of you probably are the same. And you know, any long period of time spent just on dual carriageways and motorways, I find quite unbearable. So I thought I'd try one of these throttle locks out, you know, just so I can periodically just at least take my hand off the throttle and get some blood rushing back through it, you know. So sure, you know, if it does that, then that's hopefully going to be beneficial. So yeah, so hopefully I'll be doing a video on installing that and testing that one out. So we'll keep keep your eyes out for that one. And yeah, so just for let you know, I'm still about. I know there's not really been a lot happening on my channel of late, and I'm planning on changing that this year. And as I say, hopefully now I've bought this other camera, I can then use my drift camera as a second camera as well. Maybe set that up on the bars on the bike or something, you know, just to add a bit of perspective to the videos, see how that works out. But yeah, other than that, all's good. Hope everyone out there, hope you're all good. And I'm going to just go home now, have a bit of lunch, because there ain't a lot happening out here at work at the minute. It's all very quiet. So anyway, I'm going to sign off here, so stay safe, people, and see you all on the next one. Take care.